100 push-ups every day. How it improved my health and mental well-being. Engaging in the 100 push-ups everyday challenge can lead to a multitude of positive effects on both physical health and mental well-being. Here's how it may have improved your health and mental state. Increased strength and endurance. Performing 100 push-ups every day undoubtedly strengthens your upper body muscles, including the chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Over time, this can lead to noticeable improvements in overall strength and endurance. Muscle definition and tone. Regularly engaging in push-ups helps to sculpt and define the muscles of the upper body. This can result in a more toned appearance and increased muscle definition, boosting your confidence in your physical appearance. Improved cardiovascular health. While push-ups primarily target muscular strength, performing them in rapid succession can elevate your heart rate, providing cardiovascular benefits similar to aerobic exercise. This can lead to improvements in cardiovascular health and fitness. Weight management. Engaging in regular physical activity like the 100 push-ups challenge can aid in weight management by burning calories and building lean muscle mass. Combined with a balanced diet, this can contribute to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Increased energy levels. Regular exercise can boost your energy levels and combat feelings of fatigue and lethargy. By incorporating push-ups into your daily routine, you may experience increased vitality and improved productivity throughout the day. Sense of achievement. Completing the challenge of 100 push-ups every day fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride. Each day that you successfully complete the challenge reinforces your commitment to your health and fitness goals, boosting your self-esteem and confidence. Established routine. Engaging in the 100 push-ups challenge every day establishes a consistent exercise routine, making it easier to maintain an active lifestyle in the long term. Consistency is key to achieving lasting health and fitness benefits. Stress reduction. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever, helping to reduce tension and promote relaxation. By dedicating time each day to complete the push-ups challenge, you create a space for stress relief and self-care, improving your overall well-being. Improved focus and mental clarity. Regular physical activity has been shown to enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. By incorporating the 100 push-ups challenge into your daily routine, you may experience improved focus, concentration, and cognitive performance. Overall, engaging in the 100 push-ups everyday challenge can lead to significant improvements in both physical health and mental well-being. By committing to this challenge, you're investing in your long-term health and happiness.